Hi, my name's Darren Wiles and I'm the head of business for the Harwoods Truck division. Harwoods have acquired this business in 2004 from Testwoods, and in 2007 it was redeveloped what we see today. And in 2008 we also acquired the lease for the BP workshops over in Hamble. Here at the Truck Centre, I believe this is the Harwoods best kept secret. Here at Totten, we sell new and used trucks. We also have just been appointed the main sales hub for the new TG van for the southern region. And looking after the new units, we have 2 salesmen looking after the new. We have 1 looking after the used stock, and we have over 600 used trucks in the UK to our disposal. And we also have a small selection here at Totten. Here at our Totten branch, we're an authorised repairer to service and repair MAN vehicles. We also do all franchises and also embarking into the horsebox world. We operate a strong team of 18 technicians, and through those 18 technicians we do a 3-shift pattern. So we're actually a 24-hour operation, and that's from a Monday to Friday, and from Saturdays we close at 6 p.m. and reopen at 6 on a Monday morning. You can follow us on Facebook with the latest news. You can see some customer experiences that we do. We've done some Goodwood driving experiences. We've also done some golfing days and some shooting days. Again, look on the Facebook for some details, and we look forward to seeing you soon.